Alright, so I'm going to show you how to zero gap these Babyliss Gold FX trimmers, and at the end, I'm going to show you how well they cut. So right now you see that the blade isn't completely flushed at all. Ideally, you want the black blade and the gold blade to be as flushed as possible. Not too flush because you don't want it to cut yourself. The trimmers come with the screwdriver and the zero gap tool. So what you want to do is you want to slightly unscrew those two screws, and then you want to put the tool on the back end there. And then you're going to use a flat surface and just press the blade up against the flat surface, nothing too hard. And then now you're going to see that it's a lot more flush. Then after that, you want to tighten those screws back up. Then you're going to remove the tool, and it should be as close to flush as possible.